Hello बच्चों, let's read the question first. The angle of depression of the top of the tower from the top of the building is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the bottom of the building is 45 degree. If the height of the tower is 20 meter, find the height of the building. Okay, first of all, we will draw the diagram and then we will discuss the key concept. Okay, so from the top of the tower, first of all, this is the tower. This is the top of the tower. So let it be AB. AB is our tower. Okay. And this small is our building. CD. CD is our building. Okay. Now from the top of the tower to the top of the building. So this is 30 degree angle of depression. So this is 30 degree. Okay. And angle of elevation from the top of the tower to the bottom of the building. So this will be 45 degree, right? Now this is 30, so this angle AC, name it as D. D is already there, so it will be E. Okay, इसको E ले लेते हैं. So ACE will be also 30 degree. Now we are given that the height of the tower is 20, so this is 20. We have to find the value of CD. Okay, let the base is, this is X and CE, this is Y. Okay, now first of all in triangle ABD. Okay, first of all we will discuss the key concept. We haven't discussed it. The key concept is first, that is the value of tan theta. What is the value of tan theta? Perpendicular upon base. Cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse, and sin theta, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, now the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 and the value of tan 45 degree is 1, right? Now in triangle ABD, so we have to apply tan 45 degree. Tan 45 apply करेंगे, that is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB divided by base is DB. Tan 45 is 1 is equals to AB is 20 and DB is X. So the value of X is 20 meters. अगर X की value 20 है, we know that CE is equals to DB, so CE will be also 20. Now same case we will apply in triangle AEC. So this is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is perpendicular, that is AE divided by base is CE. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and AE is Y and CE is 20. So the value of Y is 20 by root 3. Okay, now we have to find the value of CD. As we know that CD is equals to EB, तो EB की वैल्यू भी निकालनी पड़ेगी. EB की वैल्यू कैसे निकलेगी? AB minus AE will be EB, right? So AB is 20, EB is 20, AB is 20, AE is 20 by root 3. So this will be EB. So 20 common, 1 minus 1 by root 3 is equals to EB. So EB will be 20 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. और EB हमारा किसके इक्वल है? CD के. That is the height of the building. तो CD की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? That is 20 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 meters. So this is the height of the building. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.